Are you looking for an interior car lights? In this video, I will show you the 5 best interior car lights based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the OPT7 Aura Interior Car Lights LED Strip Kit. Revolutionary LED design combines micro LEDs of all 3 primary colors into a single SMD. This allows a perfect mixture of color at the micro level, emitting a more pure, brilliant light color. Aura lighting strips are flexible enough to bend, twist and curve around any surface, and provides heavy cover against any weather conditions. SoundSync mode illuminates your light strips to your music with finely tuned bass-activated technology. It's time to experience your music in a whole new light. Amplified the installation process to a simple car charger adapter. Just plug it in and hit. The 4th product on the list is the Govee RGBIC Interior Car Lights with Smart App. Unlike traditional 4 strips of lights, Govee upgraded light features 2 lines connecting with 4 strip lights. User-friendly design makes setup easier. Easily hidden cables offer you a clean, tidy car. Robic technology allows you to personalize your strip lights to display various colors all at the same time. Enjoy rainbow-like light effects and more colors. Making your car stand out just got a lot easier. The intuitive Govee Home app features 16 million colors, a host of dynamic light effects, and an easy-to-use DIY mode. The interior strip lights boasts a 2-line design, which connects 4 strip lights together. The lights are suitable for cars, trucks, and SUVs. Enliven your weekend road trips or evening commutes with vibrant colors. The 3rd product on the list is the Sunpie Car LED Interior Light Strip with App. Sunpie Car interior light strips flexible enough to bend, curve, and twist around surfaces, and heavy-duty enough to remain weather-resistant. This 4-pieces set comes with advances color dimming, multiple flashing modes, variable speed control, one-touch color selection, and LED neon lights. Car interior lighting is a universal kit. It fits for most of car, including sedan, SUV, truck, wagon and so on. Car LED interior strips with 8.9-foot wires, suitable for any kind of car and truck. 2 lines come with 4 pieces of interior strip lights. Built-in cigarette, protect the LED strips well. The car LED lights interior are super bright and awesome. Very customizable with the app, colors are vibrant. The 2nd product on the list is the Speclux Bluetooth Car Interior Lights. LED light strips is waterproof, IP65. High quality super bright, high quality RGB LED car accessories interior light, PVC rubber material, anti-corrosion, wireless control. Over 16 million colors and different tones for selection, you can customize your unique lighting mode to perfect enhancement for upgrading your car and enjoy your journey. Remote control 8-color RGB car LED interior light under dash lighting kit sound sensitive function. Enjoy color changing according to music rhythm. The 1st product on the list is the Sprite RGB LED car interior Bluetooth light strips. Fully enclosed light strips with silicone sealed ends. More durable with a longer lifespan. Flexible strips allows for a customized install and display, for a cool lighting show inside of your ride. Bluetooth controlled with 16 million color RGB color wheel, play your downloaded music feature, active microphone responsive, and over 30 strobe patterns to choose from, compatible with iOS 7 and above or Android 4.3 and above. New convenient remote control design with 8 preset static colors for lighting effects and 4 sound active modes. Along with adjustable speed and brightness, all at the tip of your fingers. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.